also si Kapanang, si Catherine Kapanang. Catherine, Superintendent Kapanang, upo ka po dito para at least we'll be able to find out why the numbers of this GCash, which is not in contract with Bucor, is proliferating inside the Bucor. Bakit nakapasok ito samantalang dapat ginagawa na ito ng Bucor? Sila na nagbibigay ng ganitong technology without any single percentage.
Yan yung sinabi ko sa Senate. Ang galing talaga. Sinabi ko na yan. Sabi ko, bakit pa kayo nangungumisyon? And bakit hindi na lang kayo, yung opisina ninyo, gumawa ng isa pang departamento para gumawa nitong services na to? Kasi pwedeng kung nangungumisyon kayo at okay naman mangumisyon, kikita pa yung bureau. Pero kung tulong nyo na lang, o di mas maganda, at least nakakulong na yan, pinagkikakitaan nyo pa. Sinabi natin yun nung Senate inquiry, di ba? Nanonood sa atin to si Congressman Fernandez.
Hirap-hirap na nga ng ating mga PDLs dyan eh. Pinahirapan pa natin ang pamilya. Bakit singilin pa natin ng 3%? That's what we're trying to point out here. The government can do it itself. Catherine Kapanang, ikaw ang nag-handle ng documentation ng lahat ng PDLs ng Bucor. At according to Catherine, nagkaroon kayo ng relasyon. Ang tanong, yung ba mga karpeta ng mga PDLs consisting all the members of the family that will be allowed inside ay hawak mo, ipinagkaloob mo ba kay Molly?
No, Your Honor.
Did you take your oath?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes.
Lalaki ah. No, Your Honor.
Okay. So you're under oath?
Yes, Your Honor.
So nagkarelasyon kayo ni Molly?
Opo.
Kailan nagsimula yung relasyon ninyo?
Paglaya niya po.
Palakpakan. Style mo, bulok. Doon pa lang sa loob, jowa mo na yan. Jowa mo na yan, sa loob pa lang, tumigil ka. Ano yun, paglaya niya, doon siya na in-love sa'yo? Anong meron ka para ma-in-love siya sa'yo paglaya niya? Style mo, bulok. Wag kami.
2018.
Yes, Your Honor.
Kailan pumasok si Molly sa NBP?
December.
And according to General
January.
Katapang, merong kontrata, nag-bid. Ang tanong sa BBC, kung may kontrata, bakit according to Molly, walang kinikita ang Bucor? BBC.
Mr. Chair, can we ask for the contract?
Sige, go ahead.
Can we ask for the contract? Para ma-review natin kung may kontrata.
Sige, we'll be asking later, Congressman. We'll be asking the BBC to answer this question. So, according to General Katapang, merong bidding. So, according to Molly, walang binibigay sa Bucor. Ngayon, ano totoo?
There's no contract, Your Honor.
There's no contract. General Katapang, what happened? We inform you that there is a contract, there is a bidding.
I don't know where they failed along the way because I told them that if this can be allowed.
Di mo na naman alam, Katapang? Siguro, Katapang, ang alam mo lang yung pangalan mo. Si Katapang, lahat ng tinanong, walang alam. Wala ka naman palang alam. Ibig sabihin, wala kang ginagawa dyan. Umalis ka na dyan.
It should be an open bidding. Unfortunately, they did not comply with my specific instructions.
So you mean to say you were informed the wrong information? Is that you're implying?
Yes, Mr. Chair, Your Honor.
Who informed you, General Katapang?
I assume that they had a bidding and then that Molly was the one who
General,
was the lowest.
General, mag-assume po dito. Dapat po precise po yung answer nyo.
Assuming. Katapang, alam mo, yung biodata mo, hindi mo na kailangang i-imprenta. Yung resume mo, yung CV mo, hindi mo na kailangang i-print. O, panonoorin lang nila tong Congress, alam na nila kung anong laman ng biodata mo.